Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can save one of your items as a JPEG or a PNG, and you're going to get the image URL, select that. It takes a minute for it to create it. One of the great things that they've just done while that's loading up is I'll show you the home page. Type in NLS, enter, and now you can quickly find all of the items that have been created at Northern Lights. There's 80 items there. Okay, so there it is. Right click it, save image as, select what you want to name it as, save. And now you have a PNG file that you can send to people, upload to Facebook, whatnot. Okay, great, thank you.